Welcome, Bearmonts! At dahil September na, we are now on our July project, mga kamomentum. For today's mural vlog, may pagagandahin na naman po tayong coffee shop here at Tanawan, Batangas. Tara! Momentum. Yan, we are here at Brew One Cup at Eco Verde.
Sir, yung switch dito po.
Yan.
Dito, mahaba. Aba, mahaba.
1, 2, 3, and
tapos yung S3, ito yung sa stairs. Sir, andito na yung taga-vlog namin. Kasama na natin sa anak.
So, this is the second wall that we will be doing, mga kamomentum.
Sir, may feature this sa ano.
And yung first wall, guys, almost done na. Wala ko dito kagabi eh. So, ayan. Ngayon lang natin masisimulan yung vlog. Later, we will start our mural painting here and you will know what's the design, mga kamomentum. So, for the meantime, we are preparing. Okay? So, ayun. Ayun lang guys yung view eh. Wait lang. Ito, yeah. Ay, sige. From ano, sa baba. Try ko. Ganda niya sa baba eh. Yan. Ito guys, yan. Yan yung ginagawa natin for tonight. As you can see, mga kamomentum, our wall is ayan, rough. Yeah. So, ayan. Start tayo maya-maya, mga kamomentum. Ayan, no. I'll go.
Levis, baka naman. Parang galit ka. Nanantok na ako.
Galit yan, guys. Kala nyo, ha. Galit yan. Ikaw nga, May. Agad, angguluhan ka. Asid ka, kitapot ng kuya, May.
Okay lang yun, wala namang
wow.
Ana.
Kita pa rin yung ng kuya mo. Sige lang, okay lang. 1, 2, 3. Babies, baka naman.
Balang po promote.
Ay ka lang. Babies. Ito kasi ito eh. Davies, baka naman.
Baka maging promoter ka ng Davies niya, boy. So, ayun guys, we are now doing this area. And if you will remember, this is beside the stairs. Kaya, kung dito, mataas siya, doon naman sa part na yun, mababa, of course, because may floor na yan. So, that's our situation as of almost 12 midnight na po today. July 1. Grabe, July 1. Nag-grind ang birthday boy. Ang birthday husband. Ayan. Birthday husband. Yan. Birthday husband. Yan. Birth month niya po. This July. So, tomorrow, magdi-date kami. Anyway. Ayan. Yan na po yung ginagawa natin. Wait lang, guys. Yan. So, ganito lang lagi yung video ko, ha? Kasi, this is the only way for me to record it. Alright. So, yan. Yan na yung ginagawa natin. And, while they're doing that, nandito si Jen. Text ko lang muna yung sapatos ko. Oh, yeah. Ito si Jen. Titimpla. Sarap yan. Kasi free coffee kami dito, guys. Thank you nga po pala, Sir Aries. Thank you, sir. Ayan, dito tayo, guys, sa Brew & Cafe. Brew & Cup. Yan. Ang cute nga nito, guys, eh. Alam nyo, coffee shop to sa loob ng kanilang house. Sobrang na-maximize sila yung space. Kaya nakaka-proud lang. Yan. Na-maximize nila yung house nila, guys. Nakakalaan nyo bang bahay to? Diba? So, this is the first wall na ginawa natin. Na hindi ko po to na-vlog, guys. Kasi, tonight lang po ako nakasama. Kagabi po nila to ginawa. Yan. Last night. Before today. Ayan. Ito na po yung finish na po ito. Don't worry. Vlog ko po ito. At video ko po na mas maganda at pipicturean. Tapos, ayun. Yun na nga. Yung stairs na po yung ginagawa natin. Parang nga siyang another masterpiece. Kasi, layout namin yan, guys. Tignan nyo, pag tinignan nyo siya dito, parang parang siyang magkaibang place. Pero actually, nasa isang lugar lang siya. Ayan, no, diba? Ayan. So, ito guys, layout po namin yan. So, yung mga, what do you call it? Subjects po na nakalagay dito is nilayout po ni Mahal. And, yung mga pictures po, yung mga, yan, tulad yan, yung graphics na yan, nanggaling po sa aming client. So, kami lang po nag-layout, kami po yung nag-ayos. Ang tag dito? Nag-organize, naglagay kung saan bang part yung ganyan, pati po yung mga words na yun. Yan. Layout by Momentum Art Gallery by our artist, of course, Jeremiah Sanceda. May mahal, may boyfriend, dati yan, husband na. So, ayan. Ayan yung update natin as of 12 midnight na ba? Ba? Ayan, 11:48. Guys, ayan. Kami sa second floor. Lamig nga eh. Ayan, dito lang yan. Malapit lang sa bahay namin, guys. Malapit lang sa amin. Oh, ayan. Okay, and then we'll update you for our next projects and hopefully magkaroon pa po tayo maraming sa damakmak na project. Ayan. Ganda oh. Guys, rough wall to ha. Rough wall. Sobrang rough. Unlike this one, this is not a rough wall. Okay? Kita nyo naman yung texture oh. Makinis. Ito rough. Kaya ano ba Tagalog yun? Nahirapan ako mag-Tagalog, guys. English kasi English ang arte. Yan. My mahal spend a lot of time doing this one. Bago po tayo nag-move forward dito. Pero alam niyo naman yung matagal kay mahal, mga ilang oras lang yun. So, ayan. Oh, guys. If you will notice, this is not a solid color. Kahit po rough wall siya, may blending. So, ayan. Nakaka-proud. That's Momentum Art Gallery. Okay? Ano guys? may big announcement kami. Ganda mo naman dyan. Picture nga kita. Pretty. So, ayan guys. Si Jen, she'll have her achievement. Ayan, na-excite na rin ako. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Iba-vlog namin yun. Popost namin yan. Okay? Kasi, secret. Anyway, so yes. Diba? Ang hirap. Kasi pambaba. Paano yun?
Tingin na lang ang balik sa loob.
Wait lang. So, ayan. Okay, we wanna thank Sir Aris and Ma'am Lenny. They are the owner of Ruan Cup for trusting us to do mural painting for their home business na nakaka-proud sobra, and hindi na po ako magtataka na nag-expand po itong kanilang business, and eventually marami pong magiging customer kasi they are so kind. Okay, and to think na magbe-business ka sa di ba? Kami din ganun eh. Kaya, ayun. Thank you so much for trusting us, and we will pray for your success in your business ventures. So, ayan po. Yan lang po yung update. Tagal-tagal ko nag-vlog. 7 minutes. So, ayan. Aabot na naman 8 minutes. So, ayan guys. Thank you. I'll see you later. Okay? Alright.